Viewers and subscribers who are going, quick question. What would you do if you were a goat farmer and you could catch man a thief a goat them? Me want to hear on the angle situation. People, so just watch the video and tell me how under deal with it in the comment section when you're done. So in all of my years living in Jamaica, I have known about car stealing ring. I have heard of extortion ring, but me never know so you have a active goat stealing ring out there fully active. People, if you raise a goat anywhere in Jamaica, I ask if you be an extra alert because the goat thieves them out in the numbers and them a do anything necessary to take away your goat them. As you may say. So we are gonna share some video where in the recent times some persons go for thief goat and police catch some of them, residents come down on some of them and all of that. But before we go on, I think people, you know I think subscribe to my channel please. Click subscribe, turn the post notification on, then go over Instagram, go follow me at Jamaican Drama 1 because you know say we drop the hottest videos them around town. No, the first time I watched the video, I actually laugh because me never know say I saw goat easy for thief. Me the things when I'm on a thief a goat, I'm go either cover him mouth or tape him mouth feed him in the nice. Me no know, but that was just my belief, right? And I want to tell you, when I see the video first, me think say some prank or some joke thing because me I say it's a bright day this and me I say like house and so forth. And me I say no sir, must a joke. But when me see a next video now where police intercept the car, I'm realizing no man the video was actually real. Zine. But me look back and me say yo, then as someone really thief goat, you have somebody in the car wait, a man pull the goat, run car him come, jump in the car and them drive away. And me have to laugh and me say yo, the goat not even ball out, the goat just take the thief and gone so. But on a serious note though people, this practice of stealing goat has become a wide networking across Jamaica where people are earning some whole heap of money from it. And this is why persons that get so brazen with it and come out and middle they can thief goat. So farmers, since they come out this Christmas season, make sure you do whatever you have to do to secure an animal them and the investment. No viewers, this video you just watch is a separate incident where happened I think in a St. Mary. Now, someone go to tease some goat down there so and the residents then corner them and call the police. Luckily say that well they are lucky that they are still living because if some places them go, them are history. So as you can see the police hold on the two man them put them in the back of the van. But what really shocked me is the fact that one of the robbers or the thief or the criminal, anything on the one call him, was actually threatening one of the residents whilst he was being placed in the van. So it got to show you the mentality of the criminal them. It's like them just barefaced and brazen and have no remorse or nothing at all. If in a mind child later down the line when you come a road you come look for the female and hurt her. You understand? And a full time for something is done about these activities. I always call upon the government to implement some more stringent measures to deal with crime and criminality. You think it easy for raise goat? You think it easy to get up out of your bed every morning 6 o'clock to carry goat go bush go tie out in a water night dew or go through maca and coach and all them thing there? Me can talk about it because me used to raise goat so I know everything about it. You understand? I know the sacrifice you have to make. Daytime if you do a road you have to go in early for carrying goat from bush and all them things there. And then if I do all the work for how much years, and when the goat reach a certain size now, man watch and gonna take with your goat. You think that easy? Or that fair? People, hear me say man, I asked a question earlier. I say if you come catch a man thief a goat, or you deal with the situation, me know how me deal with the situation. Zine? Me no promote no violence or anything, but me know how me will deal with the situation. Now let me hear from you. You tell me in the comment section. What would you do? Viewers and subscribers, thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like the video, share it to somebody you don't know, and subscribe people. I beg you, please continue subscribing to my channel. Until next time, I'm out.